Today, RCB versus Gujarat Titans match. Match number 42. RCB versus GT. IPL 2025. Venue Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. First time RCB win this stadium for 2025. Virat Kohli, Orange Cap, number 3, IPL 2026. RCB versus GT. Match today, playing 11. RCB today playing 11. Virat Kohli, right hand batsman opener. 2. Pilsor and Jackal Bethel or Pilsor. Number 3. Left hand batsman Devdar Patikal. Number 4. Right hand batsman Captain Rajat Patidar. Number 5. Team David, foreigner right hand batsman. Number 6. Wicketkeeper Rajat Patidar, right hand batsman wicketkeeper. Number 7. Left hand batsman Kunal Pandya and spin bowler RCB. Number 7. Foreigner Romeo Safar, right hand batsman and spin bowler. Number 8. Bhubaneswar Kumar swing king. Number 9. Josh Hazlewood, foreigner right hand fast bowler. Number 9. CS Sharma, left hand spin bowler. Number 10. Iqbal Aslam, left hand spin bowler right hand. RCB versus GT playing 11. GT Gujarat Titans playing 11. GT playing 11 today. GT playing Sai Sudarshan, left hand batsman opener. Shubman Gill, GT captain, right hand batsman. Number 3. Foreigner wicketkeeper Butler. Number 4. Washington Sundar, left hand batsman spin bowler. Number 6. Impact player Rajat Tiwari. Number 7. Green Phillips, foreigner. Shahrukh Khan, right hand batsman and all-rounder. Rashid Khan, spin bowler and batsman. Kaushik Rawat, foreigner, right hand fast bowler. Impact player on substitute IP. Pausidha Krishna, Indian, right hand fast bowler. Mohammad Siraj, substitution right hand fast bowler. RCB win today.